Hello again, this is UML Operator. All right, in this episode, we're going to talk about reordering these messages in a communication diagram. So in this particular diagram, this one's kind of simple. Let's go to Model, and we're going to build a communication diagram with a few messages in it. All right, so we'll just go ahead and hit Create. There we go. Let's go ahead and open it. There it is. Let's go ahead and zoom in on it. Just like that. Select everything, move around the centers for this demonstration. Oh, okay, I hid the message over on the left. Right, so you have these operations. This is evidently is the first operation, and then everything underneath it is a sub-operation, or a message event, if you will. Right, so you got 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. Let's say you want to change the order of 1.1 and 1.2. There's two ways to do this. One is you can right click on here and you'll see something that says Sequence Communication Messages. You get this dialog pops up here, and you got 1.1 and 1.2. I want to promote this one to 1.1. Little hands up here. Now this becomes 1.1. I hit OK. Look at that. 1.1, 1.2. The other way to do this is to go to Design tab, and then over here in the Diagrams panel or group, you're going to hit Options, hit the down button there. You get these selections. There it is, Sequence Communication Messages. In this particular case, let's go ahead and move 1.1 back, all right? So 1.1, we're going to demote it to 1.2. There it is, hit OK, and there we go, it's back, all right? So what if you want operation 1.2 to be the start of a new group? Because this is group 1, right? You want this one to be group 2. What do? Select the message event, and you're going to go to Properties, and you'll notice this changes just like in sequence diagrams. You see over here on the far right, you can start a new group. I'm going to go ahead and select it, and then I'm going to hit Save, right? And now this is a new group. If I draw in or model in some sort of response from this, and what we're going to do is right click here, add a message event from C to A, right? It now becomes part of this group, all right? So that's how you change your message events, reorder them. If you go to this one now and you launch this, you can see now you have 2 groups. And this last one we had was 2.2. You can move this up to 2.1. You can move it up. It now becomes 1.2. Let's hit OK, see what happens. There you go. So now 1.1, this is 1.2. Anyways, you can move these around any way you want. Just know that when you change something that is before something else, it impacts everything underneath it. So originally, this was not 2.1. So you go back to communication 2.1, just move it up, 1.3, and there you go. All right. So that's how you move around your messages, promote them, demote them, create new groups, remove groups. To remove this group right here, just go back to operations, select, turn off, start a new group, hit save, and now it's now 1.4. All right. And change them around any way you want. So I hope this session was helpful for you. Thanks very much for watching. And until the next episode, happy modeling.